Beneath the waves, just off tropical coastlines, lies one of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth, the coral reef. Often called the rainforest of the sea, coral reefs are home to nearly a quarter of all marine species, despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor. Fish, sharks, turtles, eels, crustaceans, sea snakes all depend on this colorful, living structure for survival. But what exactly is coral? Most people think coral is a rock or a plant, but it's actually a colony of tiny animals called polyps. Each polyp builds a hard, limestone skeleton around itself. Over time, thousands of these polyps build up massive underwater structures, the coral reefs. They live in a symbiotic partnership with microscopic algae called zooxanthellae. These algae live inside the coral's tissues, providing it with energy through photosynthesis. In return, the coral gives them shelter and nutrients. This relationship is what gives corals their brilliant colors. Coral reefs don't just support marine life. They protect coastlines from waves and storms, provide food for over 1 billion people, and even offer compounds used in medical research, from cancer treatments to painkillers. Some of the most famous reefs include the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, the largest reef system in the world, visible from space. The Coral Triangle, stretching across Indonesia, the Philippines, and Papua New Guinea, home to the highest diversity of corals and fish on Earth. The Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, running along the coast of Mexico, Belize, and Honduras, a hot spot for sea turtles, manatees, and whale sharks. But coral reefs are in danger. They face major threats like ocean warming, acidification, pollution, and destructive fishing practices. When the ocean gets too warm, coral expels its algae partners, turning white in a process called coral bleaching. Without their algae, the coral starves and eventually dies. Some reefs have lost over 50% of their coral in just a few decades. But there's hope. Conservation groups, scientists, and local communities are working to restore reefs through coral farming, marine protected areas, and global climate efforts. Every small action, from reducing plastic waste to supporting sustainable seafood, helps protect this vital ecosystem. Coral reefs are ancient. Some are over 50 million years old, but their future depends on what we do today. They're not just beautiful underwater cities. They are life, defense, and legacy, woven into the health of our oceans and our planet.